So I had somebody ask me to help with a little project, which is an indoor and outdoor thermometer with humidity and the time and date on a 4x20 I2C LCD. So here we go. First line is date, time, humidity and temperature. Then we have indoor and outdoor temperature. That is coming from a DHT11, and these are Dallas ATMP20 sensors. That's them over there. I'm using a 5K6 pull-up because that's what I had, but the recommended pull-up for the data line is a 4K7. So for processor, got an Arduino Uno. There's our DHT11, and there's our DS1307 RTC. So that's it. That's the whole project. The code, as always, is in a pinned comment. You can download it and build your own little weather station. So that's it. Quick little one, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for being here, watching my stuff, learning stuff, and enjoying it. So take care. Have an awesome day further. And I'll see you next time for more awesome stuff. Alrighty. Bye.